This video kind of is just kind of subscribing what our little channel is about. And I don't want to say little. Yeah, I got 46, but like I said, 46 to me feel like a million, damn it. We gonna do this thing. But it's kind of just like a lifestyle channel. If you follow me, you know I kind of got videos all over the place, kind of. But that's because I'm just starting. So I'm trying to kind of get a feel for what the hell I'm about to do. Sorry for cussing. But it's pretty much lifestyle. Me working, the jobs I do, the places we go on vacations and to the parks and just playing outside and just being us. So it's kind of pretty much lifestyle. We haven't got into pranks and stuff yet, but I want to do that because I got 5 babies. 4 of them live with me, but I'm trying to get to pranking them kids because they bad as heck. So they need some pranks pulled on them, y'all. Comment in comment down below and let me know some pranks I can do on my kids because they need it.